Did you know that scientists just discovered a brand new species of fossil axolotl in Mexico? And what's really fascinating is this isn't just any salamander. It's a distant relative of one of the world's weirdest and most beloved animals, the Mexican axolotl. The newly discovered species has been named Ambystoma quetzalcoatli, after the Quetzalcoatl, the famous feathered serpent deity from Aztec mythology. Researchers found several remarkably preserved fossils in Hidalgo, Mexico, about 100 kilometers north of Mexico City. The fossils were buried in sediment from an ancient lake that existed during the Pleistocene epoch. What makes this discovery so important is that these fossils are some of the first complete and articulated fossil axolotls ever found. And that's incredibly rare because salamander bones are thin, fragile, and usually fall apart before they can fossilize. Using CT scans and comparisons with modern salamanders, scientists discovered that the ancient species was neotenic. That just means it kept its juvenile features throughout its life, just like modern axolotls do today. Instead of transforming into a land-dwelling adult, it stayed in its aquatic form permanently. But it wasn't exactly the same as today's axolotl. Its skull had several unique features that set it apart from any living species, making it distinct enough to earn its own scientific name. The discovery is also rewriting what scientists know about evolution of axolotls and their relatives. It suggests that these unusual salamanders have been living in Mexico's lake ecosystems for millions of years, and that the country's incredible biodiversity has much deeper roots than previously understood. And perhaps the coolest part? The modern axolotl is famous for being able to regenerate entire limbs, parts of its brain, spinal cord, and even portions of its heart. While scientists can't know for certain whether this fossil species had the same abilities, it raises fascinating questions about how long these extraordinary traits may have existed. A tiny fossil salamander from an ancient Mexican lake is now helping scientists piece together the deep evolutionary history of one of the Earth's most remarkable animals. Pretty cool stuff.